In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to clean your Windows 10 C drive efficiently and easily. Now, maintaining the cleanliness of your computer's C drive is crucial for ensuring smooth and efficient performance. Over time, unnecessary files can build up, and if left unchecked, this can lead to slower system performance and wasted storage space. So let's dive in and go through the process step by step. First, let's begin by pressing the Windows key on your keyboard. The Windows key is typically located between the Alt and Fn keys, marked with the Windows logo. Pressing this key will open the Start menu, which is your gateway to all the programs and features housed on your computer. Next, in the Start menu that pops up, begin typing Disk Cleanup. As you type, Windows will automatically start searching for programs and features that match your query. You should see Disk Cleanup appear in the search results. Once you see Disk Cleanup in the search results, go ahead and click on it. This will launch the Disk Cleanup utility, a built-in Windows tool designed specifically to help free up space on your computer by deleting unnecessary files. With the Disk Cleanup utility open, it's time to choose the files that you would like to clean up. You'll see a categorized list of files that can be cleaned, such as temporary files, system cache, and even recycling bin contents. Take a moment to review this list and check the boxes next to the file types you wish to remove. This selection helps determine what will be deleted, so consider what you can safely discard. Next, to access more system level junk, click on Clean Up System Files. This action will prompt the tool to calculate even more files that can be safely removed from the system, often including previous Windows installations and Windows Update files. This may take a few moments, so be patient as the tool evaluates the system for additional files. Finally, once you've decided which files you wish to delete, simply click on OK to confirm the cleanup. A confirmation message will appear to make sure that you indeed want to delete these files. Confirm by hitting OK once more, and then sit back as the tool processes your request and cleans up the system files. And there you have it. By following these simple steps, you've effectively cleaned your Windows 10 C drive, freeing up space and helping your computer run more efficiently. Remember to perform these maintenance tasks regularly to keep your system in top shape and ensure it works smoothly. Thanks for watching, and see you next time.